Hey, Don Copeland here with the Compress IUV 600S, and what are we going to do today? We get all kinds of questions. It says, what do you guys print on? What can you guys print on? And I say, all kinds of crap. So, what are we going to do here? We decided we're going to do some customization, kind of like for a young boy's room. We've got some like a superhero piece of artwork. We've already printed the bottom side of the lid. As you can see, we disassembled it. We're going to print on the top side of the lid, and then we're going to print on this and to show you a finished product at the end that easily you can add 50, 60 bucks to the cost of the toilet seat. We looked these up online. They're anywhere from like 65 to 100 bucks. And a lot of times those are lower end seats. They're going to be at the lower end, but they're not custom, right? This is a custom seat. You can get seats that have all kinds of generic stuff on it and whatnot. This is a custom seat specialized to what's important to you when you are, you know. So let's go ahead and print that out. Well, there we go. That would be the lid, and I gotta agree. Wow, look at that. We've already printed the other side, and you say, but it's upside down, Don. No, you're gonna see that this way when you open the lid. So we actually took the artwork, rotated it 180 degrees. So when you open the lid, it matches up. Let's go ahead and put the secondary lid. This would be the educational portion of our ride here, boys and girls. So what I'm going to do is I have right here some handy dandy tools. A level, right? And then I just have some shims like you would use if you were shimming up a door or something like that, or a window at your home. Slide this under here. Kind of get them overlapping a bit. Right? This is very important, boys and girls, if you're ever printing on toilet seats to use this. But seriously, on anything that you might print on that has a level or a flat type surface, right? And you want to come back and be able to level it up. Maybe it has feet off of one side or a lip off of one side. You use this, lay this on an area that you know is pretty flat. There we go. Got our bubble right in the middle there. Looks pretty good. Same thing up front. So this is ready to go. I want to slide it back in. I know this is a little bit thicker than the other seat. Take it down a hair. Let's see how the rest of the seat comes out. Alrighty, there we go. There's the bottom of the seat finished. Got the top, showed you earlier. Printed this side so when it's up, it's pointed the right way. Center that. Right there we go. We actually, because of the way we set it up in the artwork, it actually lines up pretty well. If you want to give us a minute here, we're going to get our crap together, and we're going to show you what it looks like as a finished product. There we go. Got this thing put together here. Put the hinge back on. Look at that. Even when you open the lid. Wow, how can you not be excited about that? Just kind of a cool thing. Great way to decorate a kid's bathroom if you have a kid bathroom. Another great way to make money with your Compress IUV 600S.